We're making an infinity dress, which is great for bridesmaids and for prom dresses. First thing you need to do is lay your pattern pieces as described on your fabric and cut it out. Sew the skirt at the side seams. Next, you want to tackle the boob tube, sew it at the side seams, and attach your loops. Next, you need to add the elastic to the top by stitching it evenly across the top with your overlocker, and then we're going to tackle the straps. You need to overlock the straps on both sides and at one top edge. Then you need to hem them. Next, you're going to top stitch your boob tube and the base hem of the boob tube and hem the skirt that you've made. And now we're going to tackle the elastic band. You need to cut your elastic to size and your band to size and lay the elastic against the band at the side seam and stitch that side seam. This is an excellent method to prevent rolling of the elastic inside the casing. Next, you're going to mark the center point of that band and of the elastic, and you're going to match those points together, and then you're going to fold the band over the elastic in the manner shown in this video, and you're going to stitch from the center point to the side seam by stretching the elastic inside the casing, and you'll have an excellent, very strong band that won't roll the way it would if you just threaded the elastic through the band, which is a standard method of making a band. And the next thing you need to do is to angle your straps. You lay them right sides together, and you're going to cut a slanted edge off your two bands about 5 centimeters to nothing from the side seam towards the center seam. You're going to cross over the center seam by about 6 centimeters and overlock that in place to hold it. Next, you're going to place those straps wrong side to wrong side against the skirt and attach it to the front of the skirt. Insert the band and sew it on.